Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add widgets to lock screen in Windows 11. If you want to manage widgets, you need to click rightmost button on icon of Start, and then you need to go to Settings. After that, from the left panel, we need to select Personalization Settings. Now we need to scroll down and find here lock screen images, apps and animation settings. We need to open this option, and here we need to scroll down and find here widget settings. This option will let you to manage the widgets on your lock screen. If you want to enable this option, you need to click on this black dot, and after that, this option will be displayed here. If you want to add a widget here, you need to click on this one button, and then you will see here a list of available widgets. So for example, I select here weather, and I click on Add Widget button. After that, it will be added to the widgets list. Of course, you can add more widgets if you want by clicking on the same button. Or if you want to delete any widget from the list, you can click on these three dots to see more options, and then you need to click Remove button. Of course, I want to add here the weather, so again I click Add Widget button, and I select here weather, and I click Add Widget button again. So in this way you can add or remove widgets in Windows 11. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of your problem.